Did you know that one woman's love literally stopped the most powerful empire in the world from conquering Europe? In 1533, Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent ruled the mighty Ottoman Empire. His armies were unstoppable. Europe trembled before his power. But then he did something that shocked everyone. He married his slave. For 200 years, no Ottoman sultan had ever legally married anyone. They kept concubines, but never queens. Roxolana, a Ukrainian slave girl, changed everything. She became the first slave to wear the crown of an Ottoman queen. But Roxolana wanted more than just love. She wanted power, and she saw Prince Mustafa, Suleiman's eldest son, as a threat to her own children's future. So she whispered poison in the Sultan's ear. She convinced him that Mustafa was plotting rebellion. In 1553, Suleiman ordered his own son's execution. It was the empire's greatest mistake. Mustafa was their most capable heir. His death triggered a succession crisis that crippled Ottoman military power forever. One woman's ambition ended an empire's golden age.